Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, Star Ocean, the second story, R. Let's go! Okay, so we have here one of, in my honest opinion, the best Japanese RPG of all time. Okay, I say that because lately I haven't played modern RPGs, Japanese RPGs, but this is one of the RPGs that have started my passion for JRPGs and RPG in general. Okay, of course, Final Fantasy VII is one of those lists. It couldn't, but Square Enix released this masterpiece, Star Ocean, way back in PS1. I remember playing this with my cousin. Shout out to Jamil Alontaga. Okay, so there are two playable characters. He was running the Claude storyline and I was running the Rina storyline. Okay, so but I found out, and this is a short story of how I got to this part, meaning how I got hold of this game for the Nintendo Switch, by the way. So I was at the mall because of the holidays, and then while in the food court, I was browsing around YouTube and I was looking for some Heroclix videos, and then suddenly this particular ad popped up. Okay, all about PlayStation. So I clicked on the video, and then one led to the other, and then I bumped into a sample playthrough or walkthrough of Star Ocean for the PS5. Okay, so I love this game so much during my high school days, as I mentioned earlier, that I was contemplating to buy PS5 there and then. Okay, just to be able to play it again. Okay, so but of course, just doing a little bit digging, and I found out that there is a version of it in the Nintendo Switch. So I already own a Nintendo Switch, haven't played it for the longest time, probably the battery ran out, but I knew I had to get this. So I was itching, so I went to the store, Data Blitz. Unfortunately, they did not have a stock of this game at that time, and I felt disheartened. Okay, it's like it was not meant to be for me to get this game, but I realized there was a Toys R Us in that same mall. Okay, so thank you Toys R Us for having a stock of this game in Nintendo Switch. Okay, and the sales lady even mentioned that she noticed this was a game that a lot of people buys in their store. Okay, so this was the last stock. Actually, they have some PS5 stock. Okay, so I guess it's fate that I'll be revisiting this game once again. Okay, so again, and to top it off, okay, my wife bought it for me as a New Year's gift. So we cannot beat that. I was telling her, I really want to play this game. I want to buy a PS5 and I want to play this game. But of course, you have to ask permission if you're gonna make quite a big purchase to the wife. Okay, but when she found out it was only, I think this one I got for 2,500 pesos. So she agreed, and she even agreed to buy it for me as a gift. So thank you, wifey. I love you. So this one, I cannot contain my excitement. Star Ocean, the second story, is a remake. Star Ocean is a long series. You can look at other YouTube videos about the series. But for me, the best and the only Star Ocean that I did finish, I played some, but I tend to die down on games if I don't feel the story or the battle system is not so good. So that's why as I said, this is one of the best Star Ocean games and the best JRPG out there. Okay, so R means it's a remake. Okay, so remake for the PS5. I'm sure the graphics there will be better for the Switch, but doesn't matter so much because graphics can only get you so far. The story is the main thing, and the battle system. So it's for Asia, suitable for 16 and above. We definitely fit that. Square Enix, merger of Squaresoft and Enix. Okay, I remember when I was in high school playing this. It was one of the first releases that Squaresoft and Enix did back then. Okay, so there's an initial bonus here. Code expires end of 2024, so I'll probably check that out and see what that does. So you can see here at the front, the main protagonist, Claude, the guy from the techno world, and Rina from the backwater world. Okay, something along that line. So this is Star Ocean, second story R, Square Enix, and at the back you can see a brief description. 1998 was it when it was first released. So that's when I was 15 years old then. Okay, so high school years definitely. So English voiceovers and English subtitles always good. And then remade 2023. And you can see the description here. Two worlds, one fateful encounter. In an endless sea of stars at the edge of the universe, two people who live in different worlds, Claude and Rina, go on a journey to save planet Expel. Choose your path and witness an awakened destiny. So you can see some of the playable characters. There are a lot of playable characters, and some are exclusive for the main character path that you choose. Like Leon, I know is exclusive for Claude, and Diaz is exclusive for Rina. Okay, so I can see Celine, Chisato, and I forgot this dragon guy's name. So fantasy and science fiction collide in pixel art and 3D graphics. So graphics not so good, pixel art, but again, I love it. So engage with explosive fast-paced action and strategic mechanics. So it will be interesting to see how they've handled the remade for the battle system. But the maps looks that this is a town. Okay, so get to know party members via private actions. Yeah, I remember that mechanic. And unlock various endings. There are many endings for this game. I think 80 plus endings. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so it's been so long. So you can see here, I think that's Diaz. Okay, so and then you can see customize your party with the deep skills and crafting system. So one of the subsystems here would be the skills. You can learn some daily life skills or battle combat skills, and of course crafting systems for you to make items. Okay, so you can see some of the characters here. Party formation, I can see that they've already changed the party formation or the graphics design for this. I can see Opera and Ernest here. Yeah, so it's only one player. You can play it on TV, console, or with the what do you call that in Switch? I forgot it. It's the joysticks off. Okay, and also compatible with Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Okay, so anyway, if you have played this game, share your thoughts on the comments. If you agree, and you must agree with my comments, right? With my review, this is a great game. Okay, so if not, I highly recommend that you get this game and play for it. So bye for now, because I'm gonna deep dive and I'm gonna reminisce the nostalgic feeling of this Star Ocean, the second story. Bye bye. Of course, in my excitement, I forgot to unbox it. So we're gonna unbox it. Okay, let's do so quickly so we can play. Okay, so not much to see in the unboxing of Nintendo Switch. Okay, there are digital versions of the game, but games that I like, I tend to get a physical copy of. So we can see here in the box the same drawing. Then we can see the bigger poster with all the playable characters. Okay, this is Welsh. Okay, so and then we can see the cartridge. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Bye bye.